Hi, um, good morning, everyone. Uh, I'm going to tell you about how to install operating system on VMware Workstation. And first of all, before this, let me tell you about VMware Workstation is a software where you can install the virtual machines. You can install the multiple and a number of operating systems, either it is Linux or Windows or any other. All right, here you need to go to the file and open new virtual machine, and you have two options: typical and custom. Typical is just the recommended, and it goes with the basic and all options, and the custom is goes with the virtual machine which advanced options, and that is very complicated. You don't need to go there. Either you select the typical that is recommended, and if, on this option you can uh, you can see all of those options uh, that is also available in custom advanced option. So let's go with the typical recommended next, and you have two options. If you have DVD drive, you can select from here. It's going to use when you have physical DVD drive, and that would be deducted from here. Or if you don't have the DVD drive, external DVD drive, or even the internal DVD drive, so you can use the ISO file. So click installer disk image file, and here you can see you have to put here the location of ISO file. Go browse, and you can see here Windows 10 Ultimate and Home Premium version. I have already installed the Windows 7 Home Premium version. I'm going to use this Windows 7 Ultimate version. Okay, let's click it, and that is ISO file. Click open, and it's selected now. So it can also see that you can still see that it's showing the Windows 7 is detected. Okay, it detects and understands the ISO file automatically. Let's go next. If you have product key, you will enter the product key and the full name. Here you have to enter the password. That would be the password of your administrator who is going to use this Windows. All right. Here it says so you do not enter Windows product key. So if you want to use it, use it. Don't ever go with crack version. Better use the product key, uh, especially if you are using the organization. Click yes, and here you can give the name ultimate version. All right, let's go next. And here it's taking the space of physical hard drive. Okay, by default it takes 60 GB, and I'm gonna use this store virtual machine as a single file. You can also use this split virtual disk files into multiple files. All right, so after this I am going to use also I'm going to show you the virtual disk files. I click next, and here's the all of the specification, all of the options you can find it here, and it's just a summary. It's a Windows 7, and it's a location, users, admin, documents, virtual machines, and blah blah. So version is the 15, that is a VMware Workstation, and the operating system is Windows 7. Hard disk memory, network adapter, and other devices as well. So if you want to power on as you finish the installation, so click finish. All right. So it's going to create a disk, and after that you can see, you can open the, the Windows 7, and so the operating system, Windows 7 operating system will be installed, and after that you can use it as usual. You have the Windows 7. That is the very basic configuration of the Windows operating system, and the first is the installation, and next we'll go to the other options and the clients support options and the other options as well. All right, I hope you have liked this video. So I'm going to share a lot of videos related to Windows and support and how to support clients and what you need to focus and what you must have knowledge to support them in regard to related field. So, all right. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.